last period we had seen the journal and ledger of various transactions. So now we are going to continue the same question. So next, Sanjana's capital. So I said a lot of adjustment is there. No adjustment. So you look at that, it is an opening entry. It is an opening entry. Is it correct? So opening entry means capital is debit or credit. Capital is asset or liability.
Asset.
Who said asset?
I said.
It is liability. Capital is liability. You look at the capital means it is treated as loan given by the owner to the business. Business entity concept. Then accounting equation we studied. Asset is equal to liabilities plus capital. That is liability side. Okay. So it is a liability. Then opening balance will be credit side. 1,115 by balance BD. By balance BD. Amount will be Aparna, amount capital.
Sir, 1,05,000.
1,05,000. Okay. 1,05,000 over 1,05,000. So closing date 31st March 15 to balance CD. To balance CD 1,05,000. Okay, no other items. Suppose if any that owner, if he brought additional capital, then here it will come by cash. Otherwise, same amount. Okay, so next, which account? Last which account we prepared?
Sales account.
Sales account. Okay, so Karuna over sales over. Next, Hina account. Okay, Hina account. Hina account. Hina account. So if you have any doubt, we can ask. Hina account. Because I am very happy because majority of the students know that journal and ledger. Okay, so if you know this one, then without the help of a teacher, you can do the next one. Okay, Anat. So next chapter you can do. So here accounts. So first transaction, Anjo, first one. Date 6. Yes, where I have tried
Debit side.
debit side. So 6,115 to sales account. To sales account. Pavitra, I completed Sanjana's capital. That is opening entry. So it is a liability. So by balance BD to balance CD. No other item. Then Hina account we started. To sales account 5,000. 5,000. Now, Atul.
Yes, sir.
Next, related to Hina.
Sir, 16,115
16.
cash account to him.
Okay, so where I have tried?
Sir, credit side by cash account.
Yes, very good. Now you got the ledger. So 16 by cash account. By cash account. Amount 3,000.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 3,000. Next, Femina. After that, Hina. Femina. After 16. Next. Next transaction, Hannah, next transaction.
22nd.
Yes, 22nd. So where,
Credit side.
yes, credit side by cash. By cash. By cash account, rupees 2000. 2000. Now, Anila, any other transaction related to Hina?
No, sir.
Okay, so we will close 5,000, 5,000. So if both sides are equal means it will be good, no? Okay, no need to calculate balance. Only one thing you have to remember, cash account only little more items. Next, after Hina account, next account will be purchase account. Purchase. Purchase account. Purchase account, GRCR. So now you are thinking, I think, so in question paper, if I give like that question, this much, so you have only 3 hours. So you have to prepare journal and ledger. Then how you will complete? So don't worry, I won't give you this much question. Okay? So within the time limit, you can. So next one, purchase account, first entry. Anat, first entry. Date.
8th purchase
Yes,
account
8
debted to Rubali account.
to Rubali account. To Rubali account. So amount will be 30,000. Amount will be 30,000. So purchase account. Next, Aditya. Next purchase. Any purchase? Aditya, Tomlin, any purchase?
No, sir.
Okay, so we will balance. So
Sir, 30th question, drawings account to purchase
okay,
account.
correct. Okay, 30th question. Shubham Anthony. Okay, 30th drawings account to purchase. So by drawings, very good. By drawings 4,000. Okay, then we have to find the balance. 31st by balance CD. By balance CD 26,000. So 1, 2, 15 to balance BD 26,000. Okay, so you have to check. So purchase account. Next which account? Femina. After purchase account, which account? Atul, next account.
Sir,
After purchase.
salary.
No, after purchase means you have to prepare. Rupali account you prepared, Rupali? Rupali account?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So check the journal entry on the base of journal order you prepare. Okay. So Rupali account. Rupali account. Rupali account. Rupali account. So first transaction, Anjo, Rupali, first transaction.
8
8. Where I had right?
credit side.
Okay. 8 by purchase. By purchase. Amount 30,000. Amount 30,000. Anila, next transaction related to Rupali. Anila, next transaction related to Rupali.
Rupali account.
Date?
25.
Yes, 25. So 25 Rupali account to cash account. Rupali account to cash account. Rupali account to cash account. So amount will be 18,000. Next, Femina. Next, any transaction related to Rupali? Femina.
No, sir.
No. Then 29. What is that transaction? 29.
Yes, sir.
So 29 Rupali account to bank. So to bank account 12,000. To bank account 12,000. Okay. So Rupali account is over. Next, Aparna, next which account?
Sir, sales return
Correct.
account.
Sales return account. Sales return account. Sales return account. So transaction also you tell. Aparna.
Sir,
Date.
10.
Okay.
Date
10.
10/1.
Okay. Where I have tried
Yes, sir.
debit or credit?
Sir, on the debit side.
Okay.
Debit
Debit side
to Karuna account.
to Karuna account. To Karuna account. Amount will be
2,000. 2,000, sir.
2,000. To Karuna 2,000. Next, any other sales return? Any sales return?
No, sir.
No. Okay, then we will balance sales return account. By balance CD. 31st. First Feb 2015 to balance BD 2000. Next, next which account? Next which account? Tomlin. Tomlin, next which account? Anila, next which account?
So Carthage.
Correct. Carthage account. Carthage account. Debit, credit. So, Anila, where I have to write?
So debit side.
Yes, debit side 26 115, debit side to cash 1000, no? 1000. Any other transaction? Hannah, Carthage?
No, sir.
No other transaction, so by balance CD. So whenever you are preparing ledger, no, you draw the line. 2 paper full, 3 paper full column. Then with a pencil, then you rub after preparing the account. Okay, then you start the next account. Okay, then you write the heading. So after Carthage account, you rub this this much, then next account you have to prepare. Okay, next which account? Hannah, after Carthage?
Salary account.
Yes, salary account. Salary account. DR CR. So same like Carthage, 27 to cash account. To cash account 8,000. Because everyone know that is posting 31st by balance CD. By balance C bar D 8,000 in first Feb 15 to balance BD to balance BD 8,000. Okay. So next, which account? Femina, after salary account, next account.
General expense.
Before that, any account?
Sir, general expense.
Before general expense. Before general expense, 2 accounts are there. Anat, next account after
Drawings.
salary.
Drawings account.
Drawings. Before drawings, okay, already we prepared the bank account. Okay, drawings account. Drawings account. Drawings account. Drawings account. Okay, So drawings accounted to purchase. So drawings is debit. So debit side, you have to write opposite aspect to purchase. To purchase account. Amount will be 4,000. No other drawings. So we will balance. $31st by balance C bar D. Carry down to balance pro down. Okay, next last, general expenses. General expenses account. Hadi, where I have to write entry will be general expense account to cash. So where I have to write amount debit or credit? General expenses account to cash. Debit or credit? I have to post. Hadi, debit or credit? Hadi, debit or credit? Entry general expense account to cash. So now we are preparing general expense. Shubham, where debit or credit?
Debit.
Yes, debit 31. Debit you have to write to cash account. To cash account, amount will be 500. No other transaction, we have to balance. Closing date by balance CD. By balance CD 500. To balance BD 500. Okay. So this chapter is over. So you look at which one? Now you look the difference between journal and ledger. Okay. So now you will understand. Okay. So what do you mean by journal? Journal is a day book because it records the daily transaction. Journal is a day book kept in the business. Kept in the business where complete history of the transaction of accounting nature, including debit and credit aspect, is shown chronologically, systematically. What do you mean by ledger? It is a book where transactions of similar nature are grouped together in one place in the form of an account. Okay, so all the transactions are finally entered in the books. That's why it is called books of final entry. So journal means books of original entry. Books of original entry. Which one? Journal. Books of original entry. Because first we are recording the transaction in the journal. So that's why it is books of original entry. Then ledger is called books of last entry. Okay. Next one, transactions are recorded in a chronological order, in a systematic order, means according to the date wise. According to the date wise only we are writing the journal. So here ledger transactions are recorded in an analytical manner. In an analytical manner. In an analytical manner means in cash account we are recording only which one? Only the cash transaction. In purchase account, purchase transaction only we are recording. Okay, that is ledger. Next, source document form the base for writing journal. Means bill, voucher. On that base only we are writing journal. Then how to write the ledger? Journal form the basis. On the base of journal only we are recording. We are writing ledger. Next, balancing is not done in the journal. Okay, any balancing we are doing in the journal? No, but in the ledger we are doing the which one? We are closing balance and opening balance we are finding. Next, the process of recording entries in the journal is called journalizing. The process of recording transaction in the journal is called journalizing. Then the process of recording transaction in the journal in the ledger is called posting. Okay, so one more question you can expect. Okay, so what do you mean by journalizing? What do you mean by posting? So these are the difference between journal and which one? Ledger. Okay, so this chapter we studied which one? First we studied accounting equation. First we studied source document, the document on the base of which transactions are recorded in the books of account. Then we studied accounting equation. So what do you mean by accounting equation? Accounting equation is the equality between debit and credits or assets and liabilities including capital. That is which one? Accounting equation. Then we studied the accounting equation. Asset is equal to liabilities plus capital. Asset is equal to liabilities plus capital. So then we did a lot of problem related to accounting equation. So one question I am asking: paid salary in accounting equation. How to write paid salary? Paid salary. Paid salary. Paid salary in account equation. Paid salary, Karthik, asset is equal to liabilities plus capital. So,
Sir, salary will come liability.
yes, salary means cash plus or minus. Asset is
Cash
equal to
minus.
liabilities minus, then capital minus. Okay, so that you have to remember. Sold goods for cash, cash plus goods minus, then no liability, then sold goods on credit to Hanna, goods decrease, Hanna debtor. Okay, then sold goods for rupees, which one? Costing rupees 10,000 for rupees 12,000. If it is profit, you have to add with the capital. Okay, then we studied journal, rule of debit and credit. Then we studied 3 types of account: real account, nominal account, and personal account. Real account, nominal account, and personal account. So what is the rule of real account, Aparna?
The
Real
debit
account
what
rule.
comes in and credit what goes out.
Yes, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Okay, it is related with assets. Next, personal account. Personal account, what is the rule? Anila Mohan, rule of personal account.
The debit the receiver and credit
Correct.
the giver.
Debit the receiver and credit the giver. Okay, related to person, banks, insurance companies. Okay, then outstanding expenses, outstanding income received in advance. Okay, related to person, prepaid insurance. Okay, so these are the personal account. Rule is debit the receiver and credit the giver. And we studied nominal account. What is the rule of nominal account? Anat, nominal account.
So debit all expenses and credit
Yes,
the
debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. Okay, so that is the rule of debit and credit. Then we did the transactions. Then we studied the banking transaction. Then we studied the discount, two type of discount. Trade discount won't come in the books of account. If you purchased goods in bulk quantity, then we will get a discount. That is trade discount, it won't come. But if it is a cash discount in full settlement, so cash paid to that person in full settlement, then there will be a discount. You have to look. If you receive a cash, we will give a discount. If you pay cash, we will get a discount. Okay. Then we studied the banking transaction. Then ledger we studied. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can ask. Then tomorrow we will start the new chapter. Okay. Thank you.